How to Run a Marathon, Your Step-by-Step Guide to Running a Marathon by HowExpert with Helen Nazarenko. If you want to know how to run a marathon, then get this step-by-step How to Run a Marathon guide, which depicts all sorts of different aspects and details of marathon running. How to Run a Marathon is a beautiful instructional guide. The guide provides useful tips and strategies for someone who wishes to run a marathon, as well as various ideas and proven solutions to problems a runner may be forced to face. The introduction of the book focuses on the many benefits and parts to running a marathon, and takes a look at what running a marathon can provide the average person with. It also gives suggestions for causes to run for, and other meaningful advice regarding self-motivation and personal fitness goals in general. The major sections that follow this brief but thorough introduction provide both diet and training plans that were tested personally by the author and are proven to work. These sections also depict the various nutrients that must be present in anyone's healthy diet every day, as well as giving general guidelines regarding daily calorie consumption and composition for runners. Other content included in the book would be helpful insight on the day of the marathon, as well as suggestions about what to do once a runner has completed his or her first marathon and achieved his or her much-desired goals. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. Visit HowExpert.com to learn more.